Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IRS Originals. Finally the day has come. Today we are here for the site visit of Avalon Park in Prestige City, Sarjapur. Right now we are getting into the Tower 7 of Avalon Park. We are here to visit 1898 SFT configuration flat. So let's get inside and see how beautifully they have constructed these flats and what is the inside view that we are going to get from these flats of configuration 1898, which is a 3.5 BHK flat. So let's get inside and have a look at them. The view from Tower 7, inside view. Clubhouse work is still happening.
So this is the entrance for 1898 SFT. This is a servant room. This is the entrance. This is the dining area. Towards the right is the living room. Oh, you want to see the balcony view from the living room. This is how it's gonna look from 7th tower. We will have a small swimming pool view and clubhouse and amphitheater view from the living room balcony. And if you see the balconies of the other flats which are in the arid shape, those are little close to each other, but at the same time they have constructed a small wall to cover this. Better visit the wall. But otherwise this is how it look. And now the time is around 4 p.m. You can see the sunlight inside the flat as well. Next towards your right, we have the kitchen. They have provided all the electrical fittings and everything, but there is no kitchen platform or the sink that has been provided. The plumbing work is done. This is the utility space. And this is another door for the made some of the servants' room, which has like a toilet as well. Next, you will go check out the bedrooms. This is, I guess, the first bedroom. But I got the kids' bedroom or the guest bedroom. The view from here is like this. Ample amount of sunlight during the evening time. Opposite to the kids' bedroom, this is the common toilet. And next comes the second bedroom, which has a slightly bigger space. And this is how the washroom looks like. Washrooms are a little compact, I would say, than I thought. This is the view from the window of the second bedroom. Again, ample amount of sunlight during leisure time. Finally, this is the master bedroom with pass and attached toilet right at the beginning. This is how the master bedroom's attached toilet is. What this we have provided the geyser as well. As I told, washrooms are little compact. And this is how the master bedroom looks like. Also, this is quite spacious and easily accommodate a king size bed. So once the entire project is finished, I believe this balcony offers a fantastic view of the entire project. So I'm eagerly waiting to see the finished project probably after a month or so when they call us for possession. Yeah. And again, master bedroom has got ample sunlight during the evening.
This is the view from master bedroom balcony from Tower 7 1898 SFT configuration. Look how beautiful it is. I'm pleasantly surprised with the view. I really liked the inside view of this unit. You have clubhouse on the right side and you have the master or the big swimming pool quite in front of the master bedroom balcony, and towards the right you have a mini or kids swimming pool, and you have an amphitheater as well. So this balcony itself covers the entire inside view of Avalon Park. I really love this balcony, I would say. And not only this balcony, most of the towers like Tower 1, Tower 3, Tower 7 and most of the towers which are having balconies towards the inside, they have got this wonderful view of all the amenities. This is really amazing. Once the entire thing is finished, it would look amazing is what I feel. Yeah, looking forward for the possession. I can't really wait for the possession now, given that I have got a taste of the site visit now. I'm eagerly waiting for it. Finally, we are done with the site visit, and we are very much happy with the outcome of the project, especially the inside view from our master bedroom balcony, and also the living room balcony are fabulous, I would say. And we are now eagerly waiting for the possession. So I heard from one of the executives here that they are planning to have the grand launch of this apartment in the month of April. So fingers crossed, let's wait for it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IRS Originals. Thank you. From Tower 7, how excited are you? Mention that in the comment section below.